$60,000 is the potential annual revenue you can generate from a gutter cleaning business. I recently sat down with a local owner who built this from zero with just a simple ladder and a vacuum. To build a highly profitable venture, you must follow this specific operational execution plan strictly. Start with a lean model, spending under $500 on essential equipment to keep costs low. A solid 12-foot extension ladder, a sturdy pair of gloves, and a high-powered leaf blower are vital. I recall him mentioning that most people ignore proper roof safety gear, which is a major secret skill. Think about this for a second. Professional cleaners charge $150 per single home. If you clean 2 houses per day for 5 days each week, you make $3,000 every month. You will likely see a full return on your initial investment within 2 weeks of active operation. For the essential tools, you need a heavy-duty blower, a gutter scoops, a bucket, and a sturdy ladder. We have tagged every single tool you need in the description for a quick add to your cart experience. Now let us walk through a real scenario of a standard 2-story suburban house cleaning operation. You arrive on site, set your ladder, and clear debris by hand into a bucket, then flush with a water hose. This process takes 90 minutes and nets you $150 profit for one single job. Scaling requires adding a second worker, which allows you to finish 3 houses during one afternoon. That effectively triples your daily profit margin while keeping your variable expenses very minimal. The secret that most people ignore is scheduling clients in clusters within the same neighborhood. By doing this, you save on fuel and travel time, which directly increases your daily profit capacity. You must market your services door to door or through local online groups to acquire your first clients. Pricing is $100 to $200 for homes in the United States of America. I did not expect this, but focusing on gutter guard installation can double your service price point. This simple addition turns a standard cleaning job into a premium service worth $300. You can start reaching out to homeowners this weekend by offering free gutter inspections on the spot. Always document your work with photos to build a credible reputation and secure repeat customers now. Consistency is the only path to turning this side operation into a full-time business for your future.